But ayun, maraming salamat for gracing your time with me today. Very quick content for your energy, your story sa mga kayays. Today, kayays, kasi your energy, your story. Oo. I love it. Again, we have here today one of my idols, no, people in my industry right
Dalawang tao
now.
po kami.
Oo, dalawa po sila dito ngayon. Of course, we have here Miss Icar and Miss Tata.
Hello mga kayays.
Sila ang aking mga mentors and coach sa aking organization today. And I'm very excited to hear some of their thoughts. Since we're talking about your energy, your story, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear no, ano bang energy nila or ano ba yung energy na nag-resonate sa kanila. And probably, no, that's the reason why yun yung story nila ngayon. Simulan natin. Wag na tayo magpatumpit-tumpit pa. Simulan natin kay Missy Car. Missy Car, nabanggit ko na kanina, no, about talikunin ko siya ulit para mas clear. Sinunod ko yan kanina. If there is a biggest learning that you can share about leadership, Miss Icar, ano ba yung unang thoughts or maybe idea na pumapasok sa isip mo?
One word. Service.
Service.
To lead is to serve. It's not about you. It's always about the people that you work with, lifting them up and helping them achieve their goals. For me, that's leadership.
Agree.
Period.
I know, period.
Ano masasabi mo sa
May-
sinabi niya?
May follow-up kasi ako eh. Kasi totoo naman eh. I mean, especially when you say serve and all, most of the time, madaling sabihin yung to serve. Leadership is about serving. Pero if there's one memory that you can still remember about you being a leader and also maybe, providing a service na you feel like this leadership for me.
Wag na tayo namayo. As in my current role handling 12 trainers nationwide.
Grabe yung 12
So
trainers.
it is never about one person. I mean, to lead all of them in different areas is about making sure that each and every one of them are equipped, safe, healthy, and the goal is, we have one goal, diba? To be able to deliver the training programs, to help our advisors be activated and achieve.
Right.
But I'm here in Metro Manila.
I know.
We have in Davao.
Correct.
Diba? We have in Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Yeah. And I think for a trainer to call you, just one call, it's because they need something.
Right.
And to serve is to be present,
Right.
to be there for them.
Love it. Alam nyo, guys, speaking of service, na-share ko na lang din, no? Minsan kachat ko yan si Missy Car, nasa Davao. Ang pinakamalayo ata is, one time, magkachat tayo. Tacloban ba yun? Osamis. Grabe yung Osamis. Na parang everyday, kailangan, minsan pag may dala siyang maleta, alam ko na eh, may lakad to.
Kasi hindi mag-abot. Kasi he's also busy. Kasi sa session ako, I'll call you later.
Oo.
Let's muna. Ano yung kailangan mo para masagot kita? Yun, parang yun. That's part of it. I mean, not just leading the trainers. I mean, leadership for me doesn't need a title.
Right.
Kasi yan daw yung pinakamababaw na level of leadership. Yung you get people to follow you kasi meron kang authority, diba? But yun nga, kasi siguro yung sa definition natin ng leader, sa kanya service, sa akin naman it's influence.
Influence. Can you share?
Kung galing kay, nakalimutan ko kung sino, isa sa mga tito natin sa leader development. Si Tito
Jinky.
Mamaya maalala natin.
Mamaya, i-comment ko na lang po.
Paki-comment po.
I-comment ko baka naalala nyo.
Si ano to?
Dr. Andrew Go?
Hindi. Mamaya na lang.
Sige, mamaya. I-chat mo sa akin, no? Hindi tayo makakatulog.
It's influence kasi, di ba, yung hindi ka kailangang maging nasa position to become a leader. Tungkol siya dun sa influencing, making people move, di ba?
Right.
And hindi siya making them move by asserting your authority, but maybe convincing them that it's the best thing to do.
Right.
No, para sa sarili nila. And
it's like empowering as well, eh, no?
Oo. At saka yun nga, yung gagawin niya kahit hindi mo na siya binabantayan. Kasi, that's influence, diba? Yung gagawin niya kasi na-convince siya sa sarili niya na
correct.
Ito yung tama para sa kanya. No, so, influence. And siguro yung kay Icar din, gusto ko din idagdag na, yun nga, the day that you identify or acknowledge leadership is the day that you say goodbye to yung sa sarili mong selfishness.
Mm.
Diba? Kasi
Mm.
if you're a leader, hindi na uso yung leader na hari. Diba? You're the last one to eat.
Correct.
Kaya pinagkukwentuhan natin kanina
Correct.
sa class. Diba?
Mm.
Kung kulang yung pagkain, kulang ng isa, alam mo na kung sino yung hindi kakain. Ikaw yun.
Correct.
Kasi John
Oo.
Maxwell. John Maxwell.
Gusto ko yung nag-google ka. Nag-google ka ba?
Kasi magagalit yung mga friends natin pag hindi natin natulog.
Diyos ko, si Maxwell pa talaga yung nakalimutan natin.
Dugo, hindi.
Tito John Maxwell, talaga namin.
Okay, influence. I love it. Do you remember maybe one experience that you had na maybe ikaw or maybe someone that you thought na nakwento niya sa'yo na ito yung level of influence that showed so much about his or her leadership?
Actually, siguro yabang aside, madalas naman siya mangyari. Di ba? Yung when you talk to them and then, kasi simple nung mag-running club tayo, plano lang kayo maglakad dalawa, tapos parang kayong Forrest Gump, 10 na kayo, di ba that's influence?
Yes, totoo.
So, pwede ganun kasimple, pero I think mas importante yung, actually, hindi siya yung influence na-influence ko siya. Pero it's really seeing positive changes dun sa kausap mo na hindi dahil inutos mo, kundi dahil naisip niya. I think yun yung mas mahalaga dun, kasi we don't want to develop robots along the way. Diba? Gusto natin yung tao nag-iisip siya. And yun nga, yun yung influence, yung helping you transform.
Yeah.
Diba? Na maging better yung way of thinking mo so that behavior will follow and eventually dadating yung resulta.
Alright. Love it. Maraming salamat.
Natin.
I know. Alam mo, like ko sinasabi, 15 minutes lang to lagi. Nagiging ending, nagiging 30 minutes. Meron pa kasi kaming training mamaya, no? May follow-up question ako na naisip about, about leadership and of course, maybe how this could change energy of everyone. No? If there's one leader na maybe nagturo sa inyo or mentor or naging coach ninyo, I'm sure okay lang naman na i-drop ang name niyan kasi they'll be very proud to hear that. No? Simulan.
Ano i-drop si Nanjo Verb?
Ano ba yun?
Ano yung sasabihin ko?
Wait!
Nanjo Verb, nakaka-
Sino yun?
Si Nanjo Verb kasi hindi ko i-drop si Maxi Galino.
Wait, yung Nanjo is someone na pareho niyong naging mentor?
Yes.
We're both Nanjo's babies.
Ako in Sun Life, siya dito na sa Philap.
Wow.
So, training for a long time.
So, ako din. Head siya ng training for a long time in Sun Life.
Pinoy siya?
Of course. Ferdinand.
Nanjo.
Ferdinand.
Ferdinand kasi.
Or Nanjo.
What's the most memorable experience na mai-share mo, Missy Carr?
Nanjo is very hands-on, especially when I was just starting as a trainer, and he really conducts lecture rehearsal.
Wow.
Tama.
Number one rule is you don't go to a rehearsal na hindi ka nag-aral.
Correct.
Might as well say it, be honest na I'm not prepared.
Oo, tama. Yung may pila. And
Kasi
then, isa-isa kayo
alam mo yung,
mag-explain.
Oh my
yung
gosh.
stance pa lang niya. Kasi pag sinabi niya na eto, klaro direction, ano yung kailangan mong gawin, your schedule and all. So you need to just do it. If you need help, you need to study, you have other colleagues. So pag nag-lecture rehearsal ka sa kanya, you need to make sure that you prepared. Just because there's a certain level of expectation. Tuturuan ka naman niya.
Right.
Okay? Ang worst, madalas siya nakapikit na ganyan. So salta ka na ng salta.
Pero nakikinig pala siya.
Pagkatapos, pupunta siya sa harap, eto na, kuha na siya ng whiteboard.
Oh my God.
Because Nanjo to the nitty, pati pagsulat, ang galing ko magsulat.
Saka yung 3 coin.
Yes, the 3 coins, diba?
About insurance.
About insurance. If you have 3 coins, diba? It's time, skill, and experience. Diba? But think anyway.
Yeah.
Pati
So, isipin mo magkaiba kami ng mundo, pareho namin.
Pareho namin alam yan.
Oo nga.
Tsaka yung, kasi dati whiteboard, wala naman. So, kailangan marunong ka magsulat sa whiteboard. Nakatingin ka sa participants, susulat ka.
That's part of the training.
Yes.
Saka tatayo, paano ang andar, gano'ng kalaki ang sulat, di ba yung mga ganyan.
And with ako, I'm very happy that dun ako na because Nanjo really advocates balance.
Yes,
family,
ako, that's what I was
sarili
gonna
mo,
say.
di ba?
Oo.
Siya, parang sinasabi niya is, I'm not impressed if you stay in the office.
Yes, pag dumaan siya sa'yo ng 5:30, I'm not impressed.
I'm
Go
not
home.
impressed, di ba? Kasi bakit ka pa nandito?
Grabe yun!
So, ibig sabihin, you did not use your 8
Correct.
properly.
Correct.
while you're staying because you should go home. There's a different
I mean, in contrary to some of the beliefs na, if you stay longer in the office,
Baduyin
your
niya
boss
yan.
will be impressed. No, we're done. Hindi
In
nag,
fact, he will ask, why are you still here?
I'm not impressed.
I'm not, pagdaan siya. Pagdaan niya sa'yo, I'm not impressed, go home.
Because he will ask, what happened?
But the message is,
I
the
know.
message is, it can be done.
Correct. And
It should start from him.
I'll be more impressed if you
Are you
left
able to
on
deliver?
time. Yeah.
So, maganda yun kasi di ba ngayon, ang nangyayari, we glorify, patayan.
Yeah.
Which is wrong.
Correct.
Diba? Mas late ka umuwi, ikaw bida. Pero
Correct.
that shouldn't be it.
I'm not, guys, we're not like hindi namin tinatarget yung lagi nag-overtime sa office, ha? But what
Hindi ka
we're,
namin ginagaslight.
correct, but what we're trying to say is, di ba, mas effective if you can leave on time because you have,
Or, don't fall into the trap of thinking na pag nagstay long ka means ikaw yung best.
correct.
You're not.
Diba? Kasi you're actually not, you're actually doing a disservice to yourself. Kung sinasadya mo, ha? Pero kung talaga namang living ka sa work at the
Sometimes
moment.
naman din.
Yeah, that works. So, but what we're trying to highlight this is if you can finish on time,
But it's really
Yeah.
about a whole concept of
Correct.
a person.
correct.
You're a trainer, you're a daughter,
Correct.
you're a wife,
Exactly.
you're a friend,
Diba? Baka nagsasuffer yung time mo with your
Yes.
family because you're staying longer. And your boss, the leader that you have, wouldn't want that to happen.
And I think the best message there is that kahit leader ka, dapat nakikita mo yung tao as, yung members mo, as tao.
Mhm.
Tao siya.
Mhm.
Diba? Pwede siya umuwi
Correct.
kung oras na nauwi.
Correct.
Hindi masama. It shouldn't be taken against you.
Yeah.
If ayusin mo yung oras mo and yung load mo. Diba?
I love it. So, siya din yung leader na naisip mo agad talaga.
Hindi, siya, Maxi.
Maxi.
Max, who's Maxi
Pero
naman?
Sir Nigel is also
Kapit ka
one of
dito.
the...
Sorry.
Magkakadikit yan.
Mm-mm.
Magkakadikit sila nung formative years.
Formative years, no?
Yung mga bata pa kami sa training.
Oo.
Siyempre kasi, dyan mo na ko yung mga good habits mo, di ba?
Yeah.
Si Miss Maxi naman, siya yung ideals and yung pagiging practical, yung... Siguro yung din, yung pwede kang tough na... ano yan?
Tough
Sa akin,
love.
tamang timpla.
Mm.
Yung...
Tough and sweet.
Oo. So hanggang ngayon, di ba, the tendency is nagsusulat ka kasi naaalala mo siya sa isip mo na hindi mo matatandaan lahat.
Alam mo, hindi ko pa nakwento sa'yo to. Nung onboarding pa ako as unit
Ah.
manager, yung may tawag nga doon?
Pace setter.
Pace setter. Siya yung unang, di,
Ako ba?
AUM.
Ako ba? Baka kung ano sasabihin, kinabahan ako.
Eto na nga, hindi ko pa nakwento sa'yo to. First time ko siyang ma-meet online. Sabi ko, sungit naman ito.
Online. Kasi
Marami takot sa akin.
Oo, ang sungit naman ito. Hindi ko siya gusto. Ganun ako talaga. Tapos sabi ko, and then eventually, nag-change yung mga trainers. And then I realized, and then nag-face-to-face pa tayo, I realized, okay, ganun talaga siya mag-approach. Which is very effective. Diba? I mean, people may judge people around us based on...
Akala ko, kind
Ano?
ako tingnan. But yeah, I always get that yung
Ako din.
nakatakot siya.
So, hindi ko yung nakita.
Ako, first impression.
Mas nakakatakot yan kaysa sa akin.
Oo. Takutan tayo dito. Pero, I mean, that's what I'm saying eh. No, there are so many ways to become a leader and types of leadership that we can experience. But at the end of the day, sabi nyo nga, ang goal lang naman talaga ng leader is how we can serve people and help them
How to
become
get things
successful.
done then.
Correct. And how...
Siguro ngayon yung ginagamit to you help people be the best version of themselves.
Right. Very, very cliche, but
Diba? But
there's no other way, di ba?
At kasama din, yung balik mo tayo kay Maxi Galido. Sabi
Oo.
dyan yung tiwala.
Yeah.
Kailangan pagtitiwalaan mo yung person. No? And sometimes nga, if you set, kanina pinag-usapan din natin ito sa training, na if you set a certain level of expectation, merong effect, I don't know if it's Michael or Rosendal effect, but that says that pag mataas expectations ko sa'yo, that tendencies for you to deliver more than
what is it?
you would usually
Right.
deliver. Kasi nga, tumaas yung expectation sa'yo, nagpa-follow din yung behavior somehow. And for me,
Right.
that helps.
Love it. Maraming salamat kay Sir Ferdinand at kay Miss Maxi.
Nanjo, mo siya tawagin for the
Sorry, kay Sir Nanjo at kay Miss Maxi.
Daddy ni Patrick Berba.
Okay, siya pala! Hindi ko alam. So, na-meet ko na pala Sir Nanjo. Na-meet ko na. Kasi he visited one time. Nag-talk siya. Here. I think fourth floor. Yes. So, na-meet ko na siya.
Slow clap.
Maraming salamat sa inyo. And of course, maraming salamat, Miss Icar, Miss Tata.
Huwag mo kaming i-cancel.
Maraming salamat mga kayes. And of course, maraming salamat sa inyong dalawa. I hope you guys learned
Your energy.
your story. Totoo.
Good job.
Yun lang. Maraming salamat, guys.
Thank you.
Bye!
Thank you so much.